Contentment doesn't cancel desire, it cancels desperation. And that's a message everybody needs to hear today. It's okay to dream big, to desire a better life, a better car, a successful business, or financial freedom. God is not against your ambition, but don't let it turn into desperation. Social media has a lot of people feeling like they're behind in life. Every day you wake up, somebody is posting a new house, a new car, getting married, or posting another achievement. But what you don't see are the years of waiting, the sacrifices, the failures, or the battles behind those moments. Don't compare your behind the scenes with somebody else's highlight reels. Be content with what you have. Be content with where you are while faithfully working towards where you want to be. Contentment isn't settling. It's trusting God while you keep moving forward. Paul says in Philippians 4:11-12, I have learned to be content, whatever the circumstances. Notice, he says, I have learned. That means contentment is a discipline. It doesn't happen overnight. It grows as you learn to trust God. Keep your ambition. Keep your vision. Keep working, but don't lose your peace because of somebody else's timeline. Iron Man, signing out.